Today we're going to explore that mountain. It's called ETTINA BHUJA, meaning ox. We're going to get onto the shoulders of that ox. Only the question is the forest people should, officials should give us the permission. Hopefully they will. We've arrived at the base, but there are no forest officials, nobody here. But it does say in Kannada that don't go from here, don't go ahead from here. I don't know whether it is elephants here or tigers here. I don't know what it is. I've got new two friends, which I will introduce you on the way. Hey boys, where are you from?
I'm from Upi,
Urpi, good. What's your name?
Akshay.
You? We've come here, but they've locked the gate here. Okay, they're not. There's no one to answer here as well. The forest officials. That's where we need to go. It's sad that second time in 2 years that I've come and it's all locked. So pathetic. I don't like this kind of management. Seriously, just because it is in their power, they're doing this, and we as citizens have to suffer. Sad. It's sad that we might not go up. I have sent those boys to go speak to the forest officials. This is the temple. This is very important that you need to know this. It's something which made my day. Look at this. Outside. I've seen keep your footwear outside. But have you seen this? Keep your footwear and attitude outside. What a dialogue, man.